Imagine you've just won a significant sum of money online. You're over the moon, but there's a catch. The winnings are paid out using paysafe cards. Now, you're left wondering, does paysafe money expire? Let's dive into that question and explore everything you need to know about paysafe cards and their expiration. What is paysafe? Paysafe is a leading online payment method that offers a safe and secure way to make payments on the internet. It's particularly popular among online gamblers, but it can also be used for a variety of other online purchases. Types of paysafe cards. There are several types of paysafe cards available, including *paysafe cards. These are physical cards that can be purchased at various retail outlets. *paysafe e-cards. These are digital cards that can be purchased online. *paysafe mycash. This is a prepaid account that can be used to make online payments. Do paysafe cards expire? The short answer is yes, paysafe cards do expire. However, the expiration date varies depending on the type of card. *physical paysafe cards. These typically have an expiration date printed on the front of the card. Once the expiration date passes, the card becomes invalid. *paysafe e-cards. Similar to physical cards, e-cards also have an expiration date. However, the expiration date is usually longer. *paysafe mycash. Unlike cards, paysafe mycash accounts do not have a fixed expiration date. However, if the account remains inactive for an extended period, it may be subject to dormancy fees or closure. Checking your paysafe card expiration date. To check the expiration date of your paysafe card, simply look at the front of the card. The expiration date will be printed in the format mm/YY. What happens if your paysafe card expires? If your paysafe card expires, you will not be able to use it to make payments. Any remaining balance on the card will be forfeited. Can you extend the expiration date of a paysafe card? Unfortunately, it is not possible to extend the expiration date of a paysafe card. Once the card expires, it is considered invalid. Tips for avoiding paysafe card expiration. Here are some tips to help you avoid paysafe card expiration. * Use your cards regularly. * Check the expiration date regularly. * Keep your cards in a safe place. * Consider using a paysafe mycash account if you frequently make online payments. So, to answer the question, does paysafe money expire? The answer is yes, paysafe cards do expire. However, by understanding the expiration dates and taking steps to avoid expiration, you can ensure that your paysafe funds are always available for use. If you have any further questions about paysafe cards or their expiration, please feel free to leave a comment below. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more helpful financial tips and information. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.